Understanding dilations, lesson 20, example number 5. Find the image of quadrilateral MNPQ after dilation with a scale factor of 3/2. So our scale factor is 3/2. Go ahead and underline or highlight that. So our scale factor is 3/2. 3 is larger than 2. Our numerator is larger than the denominator, which means we have an improper fraction. And when you have an improper fraction, the number is going to be greater than 1. If it's greater than 1, that means we have an enlargement. So go ahead and write down that the scale factor is 3/2, which is an enlargement. Now remember, to find your image, you're going to take the pre-image times your scale factor. So I'm going to take each of the original coordinates and multiply it times 3/2. So I'm going to take -4 times 3/2, 4 times 3/2. -2 times 3/2, 4 times 3/2. -2 times 3/2, 2 times 3/2. -6 times 3/2, and 2 times 3/2. So we're going to multiply each of our original coordinates times 3/2 to get our image coordinates. So -4 times 3/2, so divided by 2 and times 3, would give you -6. And 4 times 3/2 would be +6. You're multiplying the same thing. One's just negative, one's positive. -2 times 3/2 would be -3. 4 times 3/2, which is what we did in the top part, is 6. -2 times 3/2, -3. +2 times 3/2, +3. -6 times 3/2 would be -9. And 2 times 3/2 would be +3. All right, so M prime is located at -6, 6, N prime -3, 6, P prime -3, 3, Q prime -9, 3. So now we're going to plot those points. So -6, 6 is M prime. -3, 6 is N prime. -3, 3 is P prime. And -9, 3 is Q prime. Now connect your dots. Remember, with notability, if you hold it down, it'll draw the straight line for you. So there's M prime, N prime, P prime, Q prime. So just to recap really quick, for dilations, you take the pre-image times the scale factor to get your image. Pre-image times the scale factor to get your image. If you have any questions on lesson 20, please let me know.